you're struggling to get your 4,000 public watch hours, I just completed 4,100 watch hours on my second channel in less than 90 days. So right now I am going to be showing you 5 exact things that actually helped me to achieve these watch hours so fast, and how you can be able to apply it on your channel and get immediate results. So if this video is a video that you would love to watch, please do well to like, drop me your comments, and please pay attention so that you will not miss any of the information. And with that much being said, let's get started. Now, to get monetized on YouTube, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours in the last 12 months. Now, I am going to be sharing with you the 5 exact things that actually made it possible for me to achieve these things in less than 90 days. So please get the pen and paper and make sure you pay attention. Number fourth tip is actually one of my favorites, and if you apply it, you will come back to thank me later. Now, number one step is recreating what works. After uploading about close to 5 to 6 videos on my channel, I discovered that one particular video did so well and it brought in a lot of audience. So what did I do? I decided to recreate the video to see if my audience are still going to be interested in that particular kind of content. And what happened? It also did so well. Now, for example, I made a particular video back then on how much YouTube paid me, that is receiving my first ever YouTube paycheck. The video got around as at that time it got up to like 1.5k 2,000 views, which was a whole lot. I was so happy. Then I recreated another one. Now, recreating the video does not mean that I am copying it or I am repeating the same title. You might as well try it and repeat the same title, but for my own case, I didn't repeat the same title. I just channel it to the same idea. So have you seen that recreating your best performing video or trying to make video relating to it can help boost your channel? Because one thing is, that's your best performing video, it brought in a lot of audience. Now, once your video go viral, try to pay attention to the audience. If it gives you a lot of subscribers, just know that those people subscribe to your channel because of they love that kind of content. So if you're to recreate such kind of content, they are likely going to watch. So this was the number one strategy that helped me a lot on my channel. Mind you, I also tried other things, just like YouTube motivation for small channels, which did so well, and I recreated them using different ideas. Now, the second strategy that helped me a lot is focusing on search plus suggested video. Just like I shared with you guys in the last video I dropped on my channel, I told you guys that, see, when you open a YouTube channel newly, you have to try your best to understand things that are happening, that is what is going on that particular niche, the kind of videos that are performing well already on YouTube. All this information are really going to help you. So now the question is, what did I do and how was I able to get my ideas, that is my video ideas? You see this information here, it helps a lot, and it has helped me to come up with my most viral videos on my lifestyle channel and also on this channel you all are watching me from. Yeah. So after gathering all those information, now how do I even do it? If I go over to YouTube search bar, I'll just type short video video idea or video type. Okay, let's say I want to make a video on how much YouTube paid me for the month of May, or let's say I want to make a video on how YouTube changed my life. I'll just go over and type it. Now while typing it, YouTube is going to be automatically bringing out suggestion for you. That suggestion is basically what people are searching for, and that is what they are interested in. Now, what do you need to do? You have to channel your title, you have to channel your idea based on all those results. These were the basic things I did that made me come up with videos that people watched, subscribe to my channel, and the channel is growing day by day. Now, the third strategy that helped me a lot was making longer videos with retention. I didn't stop at making videos that are just 8 minutes, 10 minutes. I made videos that are up to 20 minutes, 24 minutes, 22 minutes. I did those videos. Why? Because I was looking for watch hours, and those videos really helped in building my watch hour. Now, for example, I did a video on my May paycheck. That video was actually supposed to be short, but due to the fact that I really need those retention, I really need the watch hour, I decided to make that video up to 15 minutes. And out of nowhere, I didn't even know that the video was going to go viral, but I know of a sure that those videos are the kind of videos that my audience over there love to watch. So what did I do? I decided to make it longer to that 15 minutes, and the video went viral. That video is currently on I think 18,000 views, and it has gotten me to almost 800 public watch hours. Now imagine that that video was just 4 minutes or like 5 minutes. I wouldn't have gotten this amount of watch hours. Then I also have other videos that are like 18 to 20 minutes that just got only like 2.5k views, that gave me over 200 to 300 watch hours. So making longer videos actually helped me a lot on getting my watch hours. Now, number fourth strategy is setting up and optimizing my YouTube channel. That is what I used to tell people, that if you just created your YouTube channel and those important settings are not fixed to place, it's going to really affect you. Now, if you go over to this my lifestyle channel, if you check out the videos that I posted November, December last year, they didn't do well. Even down to April, they didn't do well. They all performed very woefully. But the minute I decided to set up my channel, give YouTube the basic information about my channel, giving it the right keyword, setting the channel as not made for kids, selecting the right category. After all this basic setting, I started dropping videos. Then my channel interface changed. I started getting the views that the channel deserved. So that is what I used to tell you, that you see all these small settings, they matter a lot. And if you are neglecting them, feeling that, oh, it don't really matter. Yes, I know that sometimes you might just open a channel, and without all this serere, you will just blow up, or you will just go viral. But these are YouTube inbuilt features, and for YouTube to place them there for us, it simply means that it is very important. So go ahead and try your best to optimize and set your YouTube channel correctly, okay? And lastly, the fifth strategy that actually helped me to achieve my watch hours so fast on this channel, because for this my lifestyle channel, I was able to get these watch hours in less than 3 months. But for my main channel, it took me almost 6 months to hit the 4,000 watch hours before I can finally monetize my channel. So what I did on this my lifestyle channel is, I don't post every day. No. Most of the time I post 2 times in a week, and posting those 2 times in a week, I made sure that I was consistent with it. That is what I used to tell people, that you don't need to be posting every single day on YouTube for you to be consistent. Most of the time you might be posting that every single day, and you will end up boring the little audience you have. You can decide to be posting 3 times every week. Okay, pick out Monday, Thursday, Friday and stick to it. Or pick out just weekends and stick to it. One, it helps the algorithm to be able to understand your channel. Then secondly, it also helps to inform your audience on time, the days that you'll be dropping your video. So if you're out there and you're posting back to back every day because of your hearing post consistently, don't just do that. Post smartly. And this also helps in giving YouTube enough data to be able to push my videos correctly, because sometimes this posting every single day, posting every day by day, you're not giving the videos on your channel enough room to even breathe, or to even start getting gathering the momentum. Yeah, so one of the additional tip that also helped me to be able to achieve these watch hours really fast is try my best to use title that promise value. Instead of going ahead direct to say things like my YouTube journey, I come down to use titles like how I got paid even with small views. Maybe that might not be your key point, but being able to come down to be relatable, being able to use relatable title helps a lot, and that was what helped me on that channel. Because one thing is, most of the time people clicks on videos that speaks to them directly and not just about you. So when coming up with a video title, when designing your thumbnail, try to always carry the interest of your audience at heart. It helped me a lot on that channel. And yes, these are the exact strategy that I used on That's My Lifestyle channel, and I was able to get monetized in no time. And most of the times, getting your 4,000 watch hours is not easy. It's actually very, very hard. But the fact that I was able to do it now on two channels, it simply means that this whole YouTube strategy, being consistent, posting smartly, trying to look out for what is working and what is not, it simply proves that they all work. Because this channel, I didn't even use live streaming. They are just all the views or the watch hours were coming from mere videos that I didn't even have hopes that they're going to perform so well. So you have to try your best to focus on your audience. Audience matters a lot. That was what helped me on this channel. So if you're able to do this, if you're able to do this continuously, your watch hours is going to grow. Watch hours is actually one of the most difficult things to get on YouTube here, and you need the views on your video on your channel for the watch hours to come. So pay attention to your core audience and pay attention to the kind of content you're creating out there, and believe me when I say you're going to get those watch hours in no time. So if you watch to this extent and you've not yet liked this video, please do well to like, drop me your comments, and lastly, do not forget to share this video. Before I forget, please subscribe to my channel for more of this kind of videos and how to grow here on YouTube. As always, I'll see you all in my next video. So if you have any question relating to what I just shared right now, feel free to go down to the comments and drop your question. So I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.